You are welcome to online lectures with Eternity the School Boy. Today we are going to take a look at chemistry and we have a question on the board. The question says, a quantity of air was passed through a weighed amount of alkaline pyrogallol. An increase in the weight of the pyrogallol would result from the absorption of A. Nitrogen, B. Neon, C. Argon, D. Oxygen. The question source is 2015 JAM UTME Chemistry, question 14. Now let's go back to the question. A quantity of air was passed through a weighed amount of alkaline pyrogallol. An increase in the weight of the pyrogallol would result from the absorption of. Now, for us to be able to answer this question, we need to understand what alkaline pyrogallol is and what air is composed of. Let's start from the air. Basically, air is a mixture of different components. We have nitrogen being about 78%. We have oxygen about 21%. We have noble gases about 1%. We have carbon dioxide about 0.03%, and we have water vapor is variable. There's no fixed percentage. We have dust and other substances is also variable. Now, these components of air, they retain their individual properties. That means no compound is formed. They exist individually in the air. That means air is a mixture. Let me keep it at that level. Let me go down to alkaline pyrogallol. Basically, alkaline pyrogallol is just an alkaline solution of pyrogallol. Now, what is pyrogallol? Another name for pyrogallol is 1,2,3-trihydroxybenzene. 1,2,3-trihydroxybenzene in alkaline solution. Now, it is colorless. So when this colorless solution of alkaline pyrogallol come in contact with oxygen, it takes up oxygen to form a complex, and this will now turn from colorless solution to brown. Now, because oxygen in air being a mixture, oxygen retains its properties. So oxygen, even though it exists in air, can still undergo reaction, this complexation with alkaline pyrogallol to form the complex in question. Now, so with this exposure, oxygen will now be absorbed by alkaline pyrogallol, and there will be an increase in weight of alkaline pyrogallol. Now, this reaction is actually can be used to determine the amount of oxygen in a sample of air or a sample of gases. This is what is employed to do this. They make use of OSAT apparatus to carry out this experiment. OSAT apparatus. Let us not go there. So from this explanation, it's clear that the answer to this question is oxygen. I'll take oxygen. Nitrogen, even though it's about 78% of air by volume, constitutes the highest percentage by volume, but it's inert. It's relatively inactive, even though it serves as a diluent to slow down combustion and the corrosion. But let us not go there. I won't take nitrogen. Neon and argon, they are noble gases, so they are inert on their own. So I won't take this. So the most appropriate option here is oxygen. So absorption of oxygen caused the increase in the weight of the pyrogallol. So the answer to 2015 JAMB UTME Chemistry question 14 is B, oxygen. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is From Eternity the Schoolboy. Follow my page on Facebook. Like my page on Facebook. My Facebook name is From Eternity the Schoolboy. They are on the screen. Please like my videos. Comment on them. Share with your friends, colleagues, your students, your children. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. I organize fortnightly academic competition purely online that features every two weeks different subjects. I tabbed it Academic Battle with From Eternity the Schoolboy. If you are interested in participating in this academic competition, please chat me up on WhatsApp. Registration is free of charge and there are prizes to be won. God bless you. See you next time.